dawn till dusk the anvil sings, as Panda crafts wondrous things. A shield for a warrior, a sword for a knight, each piece a testament to his might. Oh, Panda the blacksmith, with a heart of steel, in the swinging anvil, his fate is sealed. The work is hard, but the reward is grand. With a dwarven nail in his calloused hand. From dawn till dusk the anvil sings, as Panda crafts wondrous things. A shield for a warrior, a sword for a knight, each piece a testament to his might. Oh, Panda the blacksmith, with a heart of steel, in the swinging anvil, his fate is sealed. The work is his kingdom, the flint his friend, in the glow of the embers his worries end. With each swing of the hammer his spirit soars, creating treasures from the mountain soars. Oh, Panda Blacksmith, with a heart of steel. As the day fades to night and the fire's dim low, Panda sits back with a satisfied glow. In the swinging anvil his legacy stands, a testament to the strength of his hands. The forge is his kingdom, the flame's his friend. In the glow of the embers, his worries end. With each swing of the hammer, his spirit soars, creating treasures from the mountain's ores. Panda the blacksmith, with a heart of steel, in the swinging anvil his fate is sealed. In the swinging anvil his legacy stands, a testament to the strength of his hands.